RV space is tight and every inch matters. Scattered shoes? Not great. But a bulky shoe rack? That's not the answer either. Safoner's sleek shoe rack saves space and keeps your shoes fresh. No more odors. Each rack is 12.2 by 6 inches, made of lightweight aluminum with a clean design. It unfolds to 90 degrees and stays partially open if needed. Mount it with screws wherever you need, doors, beds, or entryways. Each rack comes with 2 screws for a secure install, avoiding the hassle of sticky strips that can damage walls. And don't worry, the screws are just 1.1 inches long, so your RV walls stay safe. To use, just unfold the rack, pop your shoes in, and lightly press them into place. It's perfect for storing sneakers, sandals, hiking boots, you name it. With its smart design, it keeps your shoes neatly organized and easy to grab, all while using the smallest amount of space possible. And best of all, they stay ventilated. This lightweight aluminum rack is durable and sleek, perfect for organizing shoes on long trips or daily use. Grab yours now through the link in the description.